Good afternoon again. How I told before, my name is Ravani, and now I'm going to show this experiment which called at random. You see that is simple coordinate, and I'm going to throw these line segments at random and try to find midpoint of this line segment. So let's start. So we see. Yes, I have chalk, and from the beginning we find 2 points of this line segment. First of all, we see this point 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0 and 8. We find coordinate of first point, then find coordinate of second point. So we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see here 10. X will be 10, then find Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 10 too. So it's like this. So it will be 10 and 10. So, and we have a formula x1 plus x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. We find coordinate of first and second point, so let's solve it. We have coordinate of x1 is 0, and second is 10. So it's over 2. How you see, and it's equal to 5, and we have y1 is 8 plus 10 over 2, so it's 9, and I'm going to show the midpoint on our simple.
Hello, I am Kazbek. It's second experiment which colored circle, and we see the midpoint of line segment in the circle. So I have to find at beginning curl this line segment. Then when it's stopped, I try to find midpoint, and must be 0 and 0. And I try. This, and yes, you see that coordinate is y coordinate, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 30, and 40. This coordinate is 40 minus 40, and this is x, and x coordinates. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's 9. And that coordinate, you see the 40, and it will be 40. And that coordinate is 8 minus 8, and I have a formulas. I write this and see these two endpoints, that endpoints and that endpoint, and must be is 0 and 0. Why it's 0? And I solve it. And you see y axis, this is 40, and this it will be minus 40 plus it, and it will be 0, and that coordinate is minus 8 and minus 8, and plus it will be 0, and 0 over 2 it will be 0, and in the circle will be in 0 and 0. That is in the circle of midpoint.
Like that, and I'll show you one example where we use midpoint of line segment. And look here, we make one building, and we just place it one of them, and how you see it is weak, very weak, and it is going to fall. And now we'll do one more building, but in other way. As I said before, we made one more building, but in this way, we made this building using midpoint of line segment. Yes, look here. This is midpoint, and we place them in the midpoint here too, and here everywhere we visit midpoint of line segment. And how you see, it is very strong, very hard building, and it's very hard to break it. And so everywhere use this midpoint of line segment. For example, here, look here, and this everywhere here is midpoint, is built using midpoint of line segment. If you think that our example is not clear, we'll do one more experiment. Okay, we made one more vision, but in this way we didn't use nothing, we just placed them on random. Look here, and it is not midpoint, it is we made it at random, and let's see what will be if I'll take my hand. How you see, it very big, it folds very fast, and so midpoint of line segment is very useful and